Hello students, in previous lecture we have discussed about the features of the Deccan School of Art. From today we will be going through descriptions of painting from Deccan School of Art. Now first of all we will take Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya and Amir Khusro, made by unknown artist. School, Hyderabad School, period 1750 to 1770 AD, medium watercolor, courtesy the National Museum, New Delhi. Subject matter: this painting is based on the discussion between Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya and Amir Khusro on a religious subject. Amir Khusro was the student of Nizamuddin Auliya. Description: this painting of Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya and Amir Khusro can be divided into two parts. In foreground, Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya and Amir Khusro are sitting on roof and discuss on a religious subject. The roof has orange carpet. Both are wearing Muslim dress. Amir Khusro has a red color musical instrument in his hand. Amir Khusro's dress is of brown and green color, decorated with embroidery. Same way, Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya shown with green dress. Both have different types of turban on heads. Amir Khusro's turban is like Muslim, while Hazrat Auliya turban is round with red and green color. Hazrat Auliya head has a yellow color ring at the back which gives orange rays. A big white beard is of Hazrat Auliya and Amir Khusro beard is black. In front of them there are two gardens which are having two steps going up to the roof. On the roof there are red wooden grills. In background we can see the plants of flowers. Right back of Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya is a big tree of brown color which is full of green leaves and yellow-orange flowers. Background is of light and dark blue color. In some places we can see violet color also. Both faces are in profile, ek chasham and dead chasham. In the center a white colored lamp is there. Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya has a red color book and a book stand of brown color can also be seen. Full painting is religious. In the 18th century, Deccan art has new era in Deccan. It is the example of that. It has been drawn from Mughal art. This is the painting of Hazrat Nizamuddin Auliya and Amir Khusro. Students, you must learn this painting with the help of these notes. Thanks dear students. Take care and stay healthy.